Okay, so welcome to Mathstoria and let's have this problem. So if 3 pi over 2 is less than theta and theta is less than 2 pi, find theta if cosine theta is equal to sine 2 pi over 3. So from this equation that cosine theta is equal to sine 2 pi over 3, so first we need to convert this angle in degrees. Since pi is equal to 180 degrees, so therefore this 2 pi over 3 becomes 2 times 180 degrees then over 3. So the angle now in degrees, so we have 2 times 180 equals then divide by 3, that's 120 degrees. So this 2 pi over 3 is equal to 120 degrees. Then we can rewrite this equation as cosine theta equals sine. Then use this angle in degrees. So sine 120 degrees. So to solve for theta, that's inverse cosine. So we have inverse cosine of sine 120 degrees. So theta is equal to, so for this inverse cosine, that's shift, then cosine of sine 120 equals, so theta is equal to 30 degrees. So theta is 30 degrees. Then since we have this condition, the 3 pi over 2 is less than theta, and this 3 pi over 2 in degrees. So since pi is equal to 180 degrees, so we have 3 times 180 equals, then divide by 2, that's 270 degrees. So this 3 pi over 2 is equal to 270 degrees, then less than theta, and theta is less than this 2 times 180, that's 360 degrees. Then since our computed theta is 30 degrees, and if theta is equal to 30 degrees, so this 270 degrees is not less than 30 degrees. So therefore, this 30 degrees does not satisfy this condition. So we need to find the other value for theta. So using this plane, and in quadrant 1, all functions are positive. In quadrant 2, only sine and cosecant positive. In quadrant 3, we have tangent and cotangent positive, and in quadrant 4, cosine and secant positive. Then since sine 120 degrees, so sine 120 degrees gives positive, so therefore this cosine theta must be positive. So in a plane, cosine is positive in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 4. And if theta is in quadrant 1, that's 30 degrees, and this 30 degrees does not satisfy this condition, so therefore theta is in quadrant 4. So to find this angle theta in quadrant 4, so using the reference angle formula, that theta is equal to 360 degrees minus theta. Then we have now 360 degrees minus this computed theta, that's 30 degrees. So therefore theta is equal to 330 degrees. To convert this angle in radian, so we just need to multiply this 330 degrees by pi over 180 degrees. Cancel degrees, then equals, so this becomes 330 pi over 180. Then to reduce, so we have this 330 over 180 equals, that's 11 over 6. So theta is equal to 11 pi over 6.